Hi everyone. This video is regarding the difference between scanning electron microscope and transmission electron microscope. The type of electrons used in scanning electron microscope is they are based on scattered electrons that are emitted from the surface of a specimen. Whereas in transmitted electron microscope, the electrons are transmitted. The resolution is up to 20 nanometers in scanning electron microscope. It is up to 1 nanometer. Magnification is about 100,000 times, whereas it is up to 5,000 times in transmission electron microscope. The sample preparation can be any thickness, and the sample is coated with gold or palladium noble metals, and the slab is made up of aluminium. Whereas in transmitted electron microscope, the sample should be of thin section. Image formation in scanning electron microscope is 3D image, whereas it is 2D image in TEM. Applications include to study the topography and atomic structure. To study the superficial characteristics, this transmission scanning electron microscope is useful. Whereas to study the cell interior or the structure of a protein molecule or a cytoskeletal filaments, we use transmission electron microscope. Thank you.